Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the issue of Alt plus F4 not working on your PC. If you are also facing this problem, so follow the steps carefully. Firstly, go to the Windows search menu. Type Registry Editor and then open it from the search results. A small window will appear asking for permission. Click Yes. Now, inside the Registry Editor, follow this path slowly and carefully. Go to hk_current_user, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then Current Version, then Policies. When you reach the Policies folder, look on the right side panel. Right-click on the empty space. Now click on New, and then select DWORD, 32-bit, value. A new file will appear. Rename this file as NoWinKeys and press Enter. Now right-click on the NoWinKeys file you just created, and click on Modify. In the value box, you need to change the value data to 0. This step ensures that your Windows shortcut keys are enabled and not blocked. After setting it to 0, click OK. Once done, close all windows and restart your PC. Restarting is very important so that the registry changes can take effect properly. After the restart, try pressing Alt plus F4 again. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.